Discover the health benefits of clove, from anti-inflammatory to digestive aid. Clove is a type of aromatic spice that comes from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which is native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. It is commonly used in cooking and baking, as well as in traditional medicine and aromatherapy. Here are some key facts about cloves. Flavor and aroma. Cloves have a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter flavor with a strong, pungent aroma. They are often used to add depth and richness to dishes, and can also be used as a natural breath freshener. Nutritional value. Cloves are a rich source of antioxidants, including eugenol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They also contain small amounts of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Culinary uses. Cloves are commonly used in spice blends such as garam masala, curry powder, and Chinese 5-spice powder. They are also used to flavor baked goods such as gingerbread, fruit pies, and spiced cakes. In savory dishes, they pair well with meats such as ham, beef, and venison, and are often used to flavor soups and stews. Medicinal uses. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including toothache, respiratory infections, and digestive issues. They are believed to have antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, and may also help to reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control. Aromatherapy. Clove essential oil is often used in aromatherapy for its warming and stimulating properties. It is believed to help alleviate fatigue, boost mental clarity, and reduce stress and anxiety. Precautions. Cloves are generally considered safe when consumed in moderation as a food or spice. However, taking large amounts of clove oil or supplements can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid using clove oil or supplements, and people with bleeding disorders or taking blood-thinning medications should use caution when consuming large amounts of cloves or clove supplements.